In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop Bitwarden from saving passwords. If you're tired of constant prompts asking to save every new login, or you already manage credentials in a different workflow, this quick tweak will silence those save pop-ups without changing anything you've already stored. Your existing vault stays intact, autofill still works as before, and you're simply turning off the prompt that asks to add new logins. First, go to Bitwarden in your browser and sign into your account. Unlock your vault as you normally do so the extension can read your current settings for this session. Being signed in ensures any changes you make are applied to the right account and take effect right away. If you use multiple browser profiles or different browsers, remember that settings are applied per extension, so you'll want to repeat this in each profile where you use Bitwarden. Next, open the Bitwarden browser extension. Look toward the top right of your browser window for the Bitwarden shield icon. If you don't see it, check the extensions menu, often shown as a small puzzle piece icon, and consider pinning Bitwarden so it's always visible for quick access. Click the Bitwarden icon to open the pop-up. Inside the extension, go to Settings. You'll usually see a sidebar or a tab bar. Select the area labeled Settings, often represented by a gear icon. This is the control center for how the extension behaves, from lock and timeout options to autofill and prompts. Now, find the option labeled Ask to Add Login and turn it off. This switch controls whether Bitwarden prompts you to save credentials when it detects a new username and password. Disabling it stops the banner and dialog that appear after you sign into a site. Nothing is deleted, and you can still add items manually whenever you want. Some versions may display slightly different wording, but you're looking for the setting that governs the save prompt for new logins. From this point on, when you log into websites, Bitwarden won't interrupt you with a save prompt. This can reduce distractions, prevent accidental duplicates, and keep your screen cleaner during presentations or while sharing your display. If you ever want those prompts back, simply return to the same setting and turn the toggle on again. The change is instant, and that's it. Go to Bitwarden, log in, open the extension, head into Settings, and turn off Ask to Add Login. You've stopped automatic save prompts without affecting the rest of your password manager workflow. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section while you make the change.